go get coffee. The coffee shop is open 24 hours a day here. A caramel macchiato, and they have no lids, so it was a bit challenge getting it back here. And then I got Kevin a caramel frappe, and I think this is the first time I've ever gone to the coffee shop in the morning. Kevin usually goes, so
I like the change.
I do not. Did you make a little egg sandwich?
I made a little egg sandwich, and I have a big piece of French toast.
Yeah, the portions are big. My omelet is like massive. Selecting the spot by the pool is always such an ordeal for us. I'm very indecisive. We've chosen the one that has the water slides over here. So that's where we're gonna go today. We just had breakfast at Market Cafe, which is the buffet, and it was very good. I'm really not like a buffet fan, but it was good. The omelet made to order was really good. And then the foods that were already cooked were tasty and fresh as well. And if you're wondering about the COVID protocols right now, so today is December 28th, you get your temperature taken at every single restaurant, you get hand sanitizer at every single restaurant, but the only place that requires masks are at the buffet. All the other restaurants, you don't need them. Some guests choose to wear them, but they're only required at the buffet. We're definitely gonna test out these water slides later. They come from the swim out rooms, but anyone can use them. Here's our options at this pool. I don't know if I'm gonna go Don Julio today or if I'm gonna go Malibu. I went Malibu yesterday. We couldn't find any Liquor 43 yesterday. We love the mini beer shots, as you would know if you've watched other videos. And we couldn't find it. They said that they do usually have it in the preferred lounge, but they were out and they were gonna request it, but looks like we found some. Kev's gonna go do the kayak tour, I think, in about a half hour. I'm gonna sit this one out.
Welcome and our kayak tour. My name is Heidi. Everybody know me now, all right?
It's a little rough out here today. I don't know. They wanted me to go on the flat one where you're supposed to stand, but there's no way.
Got my first drink of the day, a strawberry mojito with Malibu blended. Kevin's doing the kayak tour, and I am just reading. I'm reading The Four Winds by Kristen Hanna.
So I guess to go down the slide, you gotta get in. You gotta get in someone's swim out. My first real drink of the day.
What'd you get?
A blended mojito, strawberry. Just like Brittney. Cheers.
Cheers. pool volleyball. Server brought his drink, but since he was playing volleyball, I mixed his blue Hawaiian in with my strawberry mojito. It's a very good mix. And I'm just reading my book. And they're doing tacos on the beach for lunch, so we're gonna go over there next. It is about 1:30. He's still playing volleyball over there. We're gonna check out the taco situation because the line's pretty long. The line. Taco bar is so cute. Got a mango marg, and then I got a steak taco and a pork taco and empanadas, and I'll let you know how they are. And Kev's finally done with volleyball.
Yeah, that was the longest games of volleyball. We didn't even finish the game. Usually you do best out of 3. We tied. It was kind of a cluster of the games.
So have a little snack. The tacos were so delicious. The empanadas were just cheese, so they were a little plain. But definitely, if you see the tacos on the beach when you're here, don't miss that. And definitely consider tipping. I tipped both the bartender and the guy serving the food, and they were so appreciative. You can tell that they just don't get tips that often out there on the beach, and they're working so hard, and it's so hot.
We're at the preferred pool over here, and I got a blue Hawaiian and a strawberry mojito in Malibu for Brittney.
Cheers.
Cheers. Third pool today.
Yeah, so the only thing about this pool that's weird is there are only 2 ladders to get in. So you kind of have to either hoist yourself in or use one of the 2 ladders. We're back up here at the Sky Bar tonight. We're hoping to catch a clearer view of the sunset, get a couple sushi rolls, and then for dinner, we're gonna go back down to Windows, and it's the steakhouse tonight.
Mexican, masago, and tuna.
Beautiful, thank you.
Ready for you?
The sushi's good. Very good.
Got a couple cruise ships tonight. Right behind us.
We're at the lobby bar, and I'll show you. It's probably the smallest lobby bar that I've ever seen at a Secrets before. And that's the tour. And the lobby is pretty much like equally as small. That's the lobby. Finished up the Windows Steakhouse, and that was pretty good. I started out with a bacon Caesar salad, pretty average. The corn chowder.
Delicious.
Was it corn chowder? Corn cream. It tasted just like creamed corn, and it was really, really good. Highly recommend that. I had the salmon, and that was really flavorful, cooked perfect. Kev had the ribeye, and it was like just okay. It was a little tough. Came over to the Preferred Lounge to get a couple drinks, and we got a big glass of Bailey's
Mucho.
for tomorrow for our coffee. and there's some karaoke going on. That's the entertainment tonight. I'm a little bummed about the entertainment. There's really not much going on. Oh yeah, anything else to add?
That's it.
No? All right, so thank you so much for watching. We'll see you tomorrow for day 3. So we got turn down tonight. If you're not familiar with that, it's something I love. They turn your bed sheets down, give you some chocolate, some water, put your slippers out in a nice mat so you can make sure you don't have dirty feet before you get into bed, and they close your blinds. It is just something that I really love.
So that one had no slippery slide.